Hi, this is Mike with RealEstateHeavyweight.com. I want to tell you all about a new article we have posted on our website called Surviving and Thriving in Today's Current Down Market. It's based off one of the chapters in the Real Estate Heavyweight book. It has a lot of tips on how to grow your business, especially in the current down real estate market. Two in particular I wanted to mention, in that they're ones that I had to take advantage of earlier on. One is, if you're going to be successful, you need to run your business like a business. A lot of people don't actually do this. They depend on luck, and while that may see you through the first couple of deals, it's not going to help you be successful in the long run when you come to investing in real estate. Like anything, this business takes dedication and it'll take work. The other point is, you need to take advantage of all the free advertising and free resources that are available to you on the internet. A lot of people don't know how much free stuff is available. For advertising, you have Postlets, you can have Craigslist, you can create a blog, you can write articles about your business. All this stuff is free, and you should take advantage of as much of it as you can. Anyway, read the rest of the article at our site, RealEstateHeavyweight.com. Thank you.